Hello guys, this is Patrick from KenyaForexAnswers.com, and I do welcome you to these lessons on how to trade forex over the internet. If you came here through Facebook, through Google, or whichever means you have found your way to these lessons, you are most welcome. And let's get started in our first lesson. And the first lesson basically is to introduce you to the MT4, how to open an account, how to have the indicators in your account, how to familiarize yourself with this MT4. As you can see, this is my MT4. This is my demo account, and before I have it like this, you have to open an account with a broker, and I'm using Easy Forex Broker. So when you come to the website, I have explained to you how to open an account with a broker. On lesson number 1, there are different lessons here that I have uploaded and will continue to upload with time. And basically you just have to go to this link. Once you click on this link, it will bring you to the Easy Forex website. Here at Easy Forex website, what you have to do first of all is you have to open an account. You have to go to the option of open an account, and once you go to the option of opening an account, you're going to fill in your details. Make sure you fill in the correct details, the name, the country, the phone number. It's important you fill in the correct details here because they are going to call you. And once you have done all that, you continue to step 2. If you want to deposit money, you can deposit. If you want to do it later, you can just leave it at 0 and you deposit money later. Once you finish, you are going to get a username and a password. But you can only use that username and a password to trade from the web platform as well as from the mobile platform, but you cannot use that username and password to trade from the MT4. And since we want to be using the MT4 to be trading in these lessons, so you have to come here at this section of the MT4, click on MT4. You get this section of the MT4 here. If you do not have the MT4 from Easy Forex installed in your computer, what you have to do is you have to download it and install it in the computer. One thing about the MT4 is that you can be able to trade as small lots as 0.01, that is around 1000 volume, and that is very good because most people do not start trading with a lot of money, so you don't want to risk a lot. So go to the option of the MT4 so that you can go to that volume of 0.04. Some of the features that attract us to the MT4 is as compared to the rest is that if you look at the MT4 features here as compared to the rest, you can see that there is a 20-year data history. The rest of these platforms do not have the 20-year data history, and as far as I'm concerned, I cannot trade unless I can be able to figure out where the market was last time and most likely where it is headed next. Without this, for me it will be guesswork and I will be out of the market. That's why I'm telling you, go to the MT4. But before you come to the MT4, you have to register a username. Once you register a username, then you go to the MT4 section. You download the MT4. Once you have the MT4 downloaded into your computer, then you have the icon on your desktop such that it will be possible for you to launch it. And as soon as you launch the MT4, this is what you might get. You get something different because I've already created these platforms. Like these indicators I've already inserted. You can see the different features of the MT4 that I have allowed to be here. Do practice with it, play around with it here and there. And to open an account here, this is very important because you want first of all maybe to start with a demo account. You have to click on File. Then you come here to, you don't click on Login because you already do not have an MT4 account. What you have is a web platform feature. So what you have to come here is to click on Open an Account. Once you click on Open an Account, you have to fill in these details: your name, the country of residence, the phone number, email, and all that. Then once you click on I agree, you'll be able to be taken to the next section, and I would advise you to have the amount here as 5,000. Don't put practice money that is unrealistic, because putting $500,000 and it's not the amount of money that you can afford to invest is not one of the best things to do. So why don't you just go with the amount that probably you might open an account with in the future or operate very soon, or even go to $3,000. If they had less, you would put the amount of money you think you can you're going to invest. But for this section, I would advise you to go with 5,000 so that you can try and see how you can trade with it. Once you click on next, you're going to finish. You get a username and a password, and then you can just go back to file, login, put in your details here, make sure the server is demo, and this is how you will end. Here you can see the market watch, you can see the prices they are charging, the bid and the ask, you can see the currencies if you want to see the tick of the price. But to me this is not anything significant, because you cannot do any analysis here, you cannot see the spread. So the best thing is to see the symbols here. Actually I don't most of the time I don't use this, I just usually close it, because I like to trade from the charts to be able to see what is happening in the charts. One of the most important things you have to do here is that you have to come to periodicity, you have to come to view, and under the toolbar section you come to periodicity. Once you click on this one, you'll be able to have the features here, that is the different time frames, the minutes, the hour, the daily, and all that. Then you can have the currencies here at the bottom, and in the next lessons we'll be looking at how to insert and have these indicators in place. So you're most welcome to these lessons. In case you have any questions, you can write to me through the email contacts I've given to you, and I look forward to having a great time with you as you learn how to trade forex. Once more, thanks a lot for joining us. This is Patrick, and I look forward to a good relations with you, and any questions is most welcome and comments there. Thanks a lot.